Hi, let's learn the basics of Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin?
Bitcoin is the first and most popular cryptocurrency. Bitcoin was created in 2009 by an unknown person or maybe a group of people named Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that you can buy, sell, and exchange directly without an intermediary like a bank. Bitcoin is decentralized, means unlike fiat currencies or national currencies like US dollar or euro or Indian rupees, there is no central authority or central bank to control Bitcoin. Instead, Bitcoin is controlled by the consensus or the will of its users. What gives Bitcoin its value? Bitcoin has value because it can be used as a store of value and as a unit of exchange. Bitcoin has no intrinsic value, but it gains value from the demand for it, just like gold. What is the technology behind Bitcoin? Bitcoin makes use of the blockchain technology. Now let's see what is blockchain. A blockchain is an electronic ledger that is publicly distributed and it records every Bitcoin transaction permanently. It is called a blockchain because it is a digital chain of blocks, each of which consists of information regarding Bitcoin transactions. This information is public, means anyone can view the information and is permanently stored on the blockchain, means nobody can change it. How new blocks are added to the blockchain? When a Bitcoin miner solves a complex mathematical problem of the Bitcoin algorithm, a block gets added to the blockchain and the miner is rewarded with Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin mining? Bitcoins are made through mining. Bitcoin mining is the process of creating new Bitcoin by solving a complex mathematical problem of the Bitcoin algorithm. It's through mining new Bitcoins enter into circulation. The mathematical problems or puzzles are called proof of work, which is needed to validate Bitcoin transactions. A miner verifies the transaction by solving the puzzle, and when the puzzle gets solved, a block gets added to the blockchain. For example, suppose a person wants to send some bitcoins to another person. First, the transaction data is shared with Bitcoin users from the memory pool. Miners then compete to validate the transaction by solving the mathematical puzzle called proof of work. The miner who first solves the puzzle shares the result with other nodes on the network. On getting approval from other nodes, the block becomes valid and it gets added to the blockchain, and the miner receives bitcoins as a reward for it. Miners are actually doing auditing work of Bitcoin transactions. They verify the legitimacy of Bitcoin transactions. Who can be a Bitcoin miner? Anyone. Anyone can do Bitcoin mining. It is not necessary that miners should have any technical knowledge to start mining. Anyone can install the Bitcoin mining software and do mining. But the hardware required to mine Bitcoin nowadays can be expensive and the mining process requires huge amount of electrical power. In the earlier stages of Bitcoin, miners were able to easily mine Bitcoin even using personal computers. But as Bitcoin became more popular, the difficulty in mining also increased. From personal computers, miners shifted to gaming computers, which again became less efficient with time. Now, we require dedicated computer systems and chips to do mining process profitably. Since high amount of electricity is required for the mining process, the key to make Bitcoin mining profitable is to reduce electricity cost. We can also get Bitcoins by purchasing it using fiat currencies from cryptocurrency exchanges. How many bitcoins are available for mining? There are only 21 million bitcoins available in the world. At present, around 18.5 million bitcoins have already been mined. Only around 2.5 million bitcoins are remaining. But it is estimated that the bitcoin mining process will end only by around 2140. That is more than 100 years. You may be wondering why such a long time when already 18.5 million bitcoins have been mined in just around 12 years. This is because Bitcoin makes use of a process called halving. Every 4 years, the reward for the miners for adding a block to the blockchain get halved. When Bitcoin was first introduced, miners used to get a reward of 50 Bitcoins for successfully adding a block. In 2012, the reward got halved to 25 Bitcoins. In 2016, it again got halved to 12.5 Bitcoins. The reward will get halved every 4 years until the last Bitcoin is mined. The availability of only a limited supply of Bitcoins allows to resist inflation, unlike normal fiat currencies which are printed by a central bank. Price of Bitcoin. When Bitcoin was first introduced, it was worth $0. The first big increase in Bitcoin price happened next year in 2010, when the price increased 100 times from $0.0008 to $0.08. If you had invested 10 Indian rupees or $0.2 in 2010, you have 75 crore Indian rupees or $1 crore today. The price of Bitcoin reached $1 in 2011. Bitcoin crossed $100 mark in 2013 November and $10,000 mark in 2017 November. In its relatively short history, Bitcoin market has faced many big crashes and price remained highly volatile. Bitcoin has crashed more than 80% 3 times in the history since 2012. In April 2021, Bitcoin reached around $64,000, which is its all-time high. And today, in July 2021, Bitcoin's price is around $40,000 or 30 lakh Indian rupees. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and share the video and don't forget to subscribe the channel.